Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about iPhone the 13th of September launch. On Tuesday, September 14th, Apple hosts a California streaming event. Like last year's fall event, it will take effect from 10 a.m. Pacific Time. The event is expected to focus on the iPhone 13 and Apple Watch Series 7, with details of what to expect. iPhone 13. We expect 3 iPhone 13 models the same size as the iPhone 12 models, and Apple plans to use the same general design. Expect 120 Hz promotion displays like camera enhancements, a 15-chip, and faster 5G. The iPhone 13 models will feature a small notch design, which will be one of the biggest design changes. Battery life improvements are also expected. Apple Watch Series 7. Apple introduces new Apple Watch models every year, and this year, for the first time in years, we look forward to an updated design. The new 41mm and 45mm case sizes of Apple Watch are expected to have smaller bezels and a flat edge design similar to the iPhone 12. AirPods 3. Apple's latest version of AirPods, which looks like the AirPods Pro, but allows Apple to sell at a lower price without active noise cancellation. There have been many rumors that AirPods 3 will launch in the first half of 2021, but that information is not accurate, and now it looks like AirPods will launch in the third quarter. Mass production will begin in August, which means we could see a September launch with the new iPhones. So I am waiting for launching day.